In this lesson, we will explore how Saviynt helps manage external identities. We'll examine the platform's features and capabilities that streamline external identity management and enhance security. Let's learn how Saviynt helps in managing external identities. Saviynt provides a comprehensive solution for external identity management through a single end-to-end platform. It integrates vendor access management with identity governance and administration to manage the entire lifecycle of external users, from onboarding to offboarding. The platform ensures that trusted identity information is built and maintained, creating a reliable framework. It enables secure delegation of data maintenance tasks to external users, reducing internal workloads while maintaining security. Automating business processes and access management enhances efficiency, trust, and security. Saviynt governs and manages the lifecycle of external organizations and their users, streamlining processes and minimizing risks. Saviynt EIC is highly effective in industries with many contractual or temporary employees. These include hospitality, large IT industries, franchise business models, healthcare, and the energy sector. These industries often face challenges in onboarding, managing, and offboarding external workers, mainly due to high turnover rates and stringent compliance requirements. Saviynt EIC helps address these challenges efficiently, ensuring secure and streamlined management of external identities.